Shek O is located at the eastern coast of Hong Kong Island. The varied urban and recreational land uses in Shek O, the sandy beaches and rocky shore around Shek O Headland, provide excellent topics for field investigation. Let's carry out a field study on the erosional and depositional coastal features in Shek O by focusing at 4 different locations. Here are the 4 locations we are going to visit. Checkpoint 1, Shek O Beach. Checkpoint 2, tip of Shek O Headland. Checkpoint 3, the link between Shek O Headland and Tai Tau Chau. Checkpoint 4, Fan Chau. Here is the Shek O Beach, Checkpoint 1. It is a depositional coastal feature. There are 3 types of beaches. They are sandy beaches, pebble beaches, and boulder beaches. What type of beaches does Shek O belong to? How do you know? Do you know the favorable conditions for the formation of this beach? Study the following conditions: the direction the beach is facing, the gradient of the beach, the type of wave, the direction of longshore drift, the fetch. Before moving to the next checkpoint, remember to complete the table in the textbook by making measurement and observation. Now we walk to the left of the beach, past the Shek O village, and arrive at the tip of Shek O Headland. This is checkpoint 2. At the tip of the headland, we can see a platform of flat rock. It is a wave-cut platform. It is the result of strong wave erosion. Waves repeatedly hit the coast. Undercutting occurs at the area between high and low tides. This forms a notch. As this process continues, the notch is enlarged. The overhanging part of the notch collapses and forms a sea cliff. Over time, the sea cliff retreats inland, and a flat rocky surface called wave-cut platform is formed. On the way to the top of Tai Tau Chau, we can find another example of wave-cut platform as we reach the top of a sea cliff. From the above formation processes, do you know the favorable conditions for the formation of a wave-cut platform? Now we will move on to checkpoint 3 to look for another coastal feature. Standing on the footbridge, we can find a tombolo connecting the Shek O Headland and Tai Tau Chau at the north. What are the materials that make up this coastal feature? Right, they are sand and boulders. A tombolo is a depositional coastal feature. Do you know the favorable conditions for the formation of this tombolo? Off the bridge, there are some mangroves. Do you know why mangroves develop there? You may think about the location, presence of sediments, and tides there. Now, let's walk uphill to the top of Tai Tau Chau. This is checkpoint 4. At the top of the Tai Tau Chau, you can see that there is an island at the south. It is Fan Chau. Do you know why it is called so? It is because the island is cut into 5 parts by 4 large cracks. The cracks are faults and dikes cutting across the island. As faults and dikes are often lines of weakness, they are enlarged by strong wave erosion. Can you identify any erosional coastal feature on the island? Yes, there is a geo. How is its location related to the structure of the rock on this island? After the field trip, write a report about why both erosional and depositional coastal features are found along the coast of Shek O. We can follow the guidelines shown in the textbook to complete the report. Don't forget to include any field evidence for illustration in the report.